Hello everyone, ni hao, hi. Okay, so this week we'll be talking about intercultural communication. And our task for this week is really simple. You should just read this one case study before coming to your tutorials. Okay, it's a very simple case study, just the one, just read this one case study. And you have to answer these two questions, please. The first question is you're asked to identify the struggles/conflicts between the two national groups in this case study. So that is the first question. The second question is to what extent did the macro environment, including historical, contribute to these conflicts? So to what extent did the macro environment, including historical issues, contribute to these conflicts? Okay, that's it. Have a good week. Jai Jean. And be good. Be good to yourselves. Be good to others. And see you later. Bye.